Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, we talked about the daily mid-band yesterday. We went up overnight to test that. It come off it a little bit here. So mid-band on the continuation chart is 61. On the front month chart, it's 57. So that's, just call it kind of a zone there. Hourly chart, you can see 63 yesterday, 57 today. Spent a little bit of time above it. And then, into the Europe session, They walked it up. They washed everybody out. Then in the Europe session, they take it down and they go print 34 quarter. 35 was an open price, and the low of the night is 32. It's come back up over the course of the last couple hours, testing this hourly mid-band. You can see the bands tightened up. Yesterday, regular session was just kind of a slow bleed to the upside that gave up just enough into the close to shake everybody out for a little bit of a higher move from 36 up to 63 after grinding everybody underneath volume weighted average price and our proprietary moving average for a few hours. This remains a really tight tape and whippy tape on inflection points. It's not so much tonight, but it's been a tape that likes to steal a decent portion of the move in Globex. Heading into today, I'll be interested in a couple things. How do we close relative to the daily mid-band? And if we're not going to close above the daily mid-band, if these tightening hourly bands are we going to stay with tight hourly bands all day? Whether it's right or wrong, you've got the first presidential debate is tonight. You've got negotiations over the next COVID relief package. So there's things that are up in the air. If they want to shelf it all day and wait for tonight, I personally will be interested to see what the tape's reaction is to the debate. Look, left, right, center, it doesn't matter. All I care about is the tape. And I'll be interested to see the debate's impact, if any, on the tape. So right now the bands are tight. They indicate a move. They don't necessarily indicate a move today. This could settle into something between our proprietary moving average right now is 42. Volume weighted average price comes in 47.5. This could settle into something between, say, 40 and 52. And could stay and be fairly comfortable screwing everybody around inside of that range most of the day. I expect the open to be whippy and choppy, pretty two-sided, just the type of day it is. Yesterday morning you had false breakdown, false breakout, and then you had the slow grind to the upside, and then they dipped them, and but then they didn't take it anywhere. So that's all I got. Be very interesting to see where we close relative to the 20-day. So everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.